Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore Steel Updates, 20th November 2025. Hi, I'm Dhaneshwar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 104.1 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 0.24% from the previous day's settlement of 104.35, reflecting a mildly bearish trading sentiment. The price moved within a narrow intraday range, touching a high of 104.85 and a low of 103.25, indicating cautious market participation. The soft movement is primarily driven by weak downstream steel demand in China, with mills maintaining limited restocking activity amid uncertainty around construction and manufacturing recovery. Additionally, the absence of strong macro stimulus and steady shipment levels from major miners added to the subdued sentiment. Overall, the market tone today remained stable to slightly bearish, with participants awaiting clearer direction from China's short-term economic signals. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market exhibited a bullish trend today, with most regions reporting notable price improvements and stronger buying interest. Trading activity remained active, supported by increased restocking from traders and a visible pickup in end-user demand across key consumption hubs. Overall, market sentiment strengthened as participants showed improved confidence in near-term demand recovery. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 to 8,500 per ton. Ex-bar bill price was stable. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,700 to 23,800 in Raipur, price up by 100 to 200 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 35,800 to 35,900, price up by 200 to 300 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 38,300 to 38,400 for the grade Fe500, price is stable. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in description to stay and engage further.